Hey everybody, welcome back to the farm. Got a package in the mail today. Let's check it out. Well, here's the package we've been waiting on. There's a new compressor for the 5140. There's a new dryer for the 5140. Let's see if we can get started on fixing the AC on the 5140. Time we started taking the AC and stuff apart, pouring rain, of course. Alright, we've had the gas recovered out of it. We got the compressor unbolted. Getting the lines loosened up now. It's hard to get somewhere to see. You probably should have pulled this loader off. Would have been a lot easier. Don't y'all just love it when you make that much and you have to flip your wrench over? That's the kind of stuff I love to work on. Yeah, we're using an adjustable or crescent wrench. Keep from running back to the building in the pouring rain. Alright, here's the old one out. There's the new one that's going in. All work has come to a halt for a minute in this pouring rain. Alright, in all this rain, we've managed to get the compressor on, got the new dryer put on, flushed it, and now we're pulling a vacuum on it. That's where we're sitting at. Right this minute, we're going to pull it for another 20-30 minutes probably and let it hold. I'll try to do a part 2 of this video. I sure appreciate y'all watching. Make sure y'all subscribe, ring the bell where you don't miss any of our upcoming videos, and we'll see you on the next one.